These are the things. People in the Ningxia province of that in China live abnormally long, as in 120 years. So most likely due to regularly consuming these wolfberries. With polyphenols and polysaccharides, this exotic berry is known around the world for its taste and nutrients. So like I said, it's the one thing that you can take that doesn't taste bad, right? We would love to take things that taste good for us, but sometimes we have to take things that maybe don't taste so good. This is not one of those things, friends. So wolfberries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. And there is actually information and a history where practitioners actually have used the juice from these berries for anything from treatment of eye disorders and disease to reproductive problems. So the wolfberry contains every essential amino acid and contains 13% protein, which is the highest protein content of any fruit. Besides every amino acid needed for our body, Ningxia Red also provides 21 trace minerals, more beta carotene than carrots, more vitamin C than oranges, vitamin E, vitamins B1, B2, B6. It's full of a lot of stuff, friends.